Hello again, everybody. It's time for today's puzzle. Looks like we're doing number 38 today. And let's see, how about we start with this box here. It looks like we're missing a 1, a 5, and a 6. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here. So this has to be our 6. And there's a 1 there. So this is our 5 and this is our 1. Try this column here. We're missing a 2, a 4, and a 5, it looks like. So we've got a 5 there. So 2 or 4. We've got a 2 and a 5 there. So that makes this our 4, this our 2, and this our 5. Let's do this column here. It looks like we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 there, so 3 or 9, a 3 and a 9 there, so this is our 6, and no help here, so that's also going to be a 3 or a 9. We can finish out the square here. Looks like we're missing a 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 9, so 3, 8. Here we've got a 3 and a 9, so this has to be our 8, 3, 9, 3. All right, if we work on this box, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We have a 4 and a 6 here, so this is our 9. But no help in the other two, so 4 or 6, 4 or 6. Let's do this bottom row here. Looks like we're missing a 1 and a 7, and we've got a 7 there. So this is our 1, this is our 7. If we do this row, we're missing a 1, 6, and 8. We've already got a 1 here, and there's a 6 here, so this has to be our 8. Doesn't look like we've got any other help here, so 1 or 6, 1 or 6. Let's work on this column. Looks like we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, and a 5 here. So 1 or 4. Got a 4 here and a 5 here, so 1 or 7. Still have this 4, 1, and 7 here. So this is our 5. And we've got a 1 and a 7 here. So that must be our 4, which then would make this our 1, and there's our 7. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 3 here, so this is our 6 and our 3. And for this box, we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 9 over here, so 1, 9. If we do this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looks like we're missing 6 and 8. And I don't see any help. Put in our placeholders. Let's do this row here. 1, 2, 3. So we're missing 4 and a 9. And we've got a 4 there. So this is our 9 and this is our 4. In this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 5 here. So this is our 2. There's our 5. If we do this row, still missing a 6 and 8 like there, and still no help. So 6 or 8. If we just look at this whole box, it looks like we're missing a 2, 6, and 8. So no help there, 2, 6, or 8. We've got a 2 here, so 6 or 8. So that means the only place our 2 can be is here. Let's finish this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing the 8. And this row looks like 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4, a 6, and a 9. We get a 9 here, so 4 or 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 or 9, but then that's the only place in that row our 9 can go. How about this row? Looks like we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got our 8 here, so 2, 8, which makes this our 6 and this our 8. 6, 8. This 6 up here means this is our 1, 6. Oh, we missed that 4 there, so this is our 6. This is our 4, 6. So we can just count these last 3 off. 1, 2, 3, missing a 4. 1, 2, missing a 3, and missing a 1. All right, everybody, that was today's puzzle, puzzle number 38. Again, there's a link in the description for this book if you want to work along with me through it. We are just doing 1 puzzle a day out of it. I do get a small commission if you do purchase this book. But even if you don't, please do like, subscribe, click that reminder bell. It helps the channel out. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow with our next puzzle.